In under 180 seconds, I will show you a better alternative to WP all-in-one migration. So if you're constantly using WP all-in-one WP migration, you notice that they have issues and certain restrictions that limit your site and then sometimes can cause errors and they may require premium. However, I find a better alternative to this. WPVivid, it removes all the problems that do comes with. It's a very efficient. So let me say WPVivid. So this is the plugin here. Now I go back. So this is the plugin. I already have it here, so it will be showing active. However, when you install it, you can find it here. So when you click here down in your WordPress, it's taking a bit of time to load. So the backup process is very easy. You just need to click database plus files depending on what you are uploading or what you're exporting. You can see this was my last export. So just click on database, save backups local, and then click backup now. Then it will automatically back up your site. When you click backup now, then it will load here. When it's done, then you'll be able to download the backup. It doesn't take time, it doesn't give any restrictions, and way more efficient than WP all-in-one migration. So I do hope you check it out and then tell me if you liked it and if there are other better alternatives that you think I can suggest, then you might talk about it so that I'll check it and then make a video on that. So yeah, thank you.